What's up everyone, it's Jaquil, your guide to living with Apple every day, and on this episode I'm going to show you how to increase your credit limit on your Apple Card. So without further ado, let's get started. Here's how to request a credit limit increase on your Apple Card. You want to look for your wallet app, and if you can't find it, you might have this search feature at the bottom. You can press search and then type in Apple Wallet, but otherwise if you know where your Apple Wallet is, you click on it and then you click on your Apple Card. You see these three dots at the top right? You click on that and you click on account details. Now on your account details page, you're going to see this little iMessage or this little chat button. You want to click on that. I've already requested a credit limit increase and I'm going to show you how to do it. You want to type in request credit limit increase and then you send. You wait a few seconds for Apple to receive it and then they're going to text back. See? Hi, I'm Apple's automated assistant. They will use this conversation provided for quality assurance, blah, blah, blah. I can update your income and see if you're eligible for credit limit increase. Because I literally just increased it, there's a chance this might not work, but you want to click request credit limit increase. And then it's going to say request credit limit increase. You press continue. Now you're going to request your annual income. You type in your income. So you press review. I put in a random number here. You press send. And then here's my completed request. So it's processing. Just a moment while Goldman Sachs reviews your request. This conversation may be recorded, analyzed, and monitored for compliance and to improve our services. Your credit limit couldn't be increased at our time because you recently just literally received an increase. So, and just to show you what it looks like when it's successful, Goldman Sachs is gonna, review it. Goldman Sachs is gonna analyze it. Good news, your credit limit has been increased to X amount, which you'll see right away in your wallet, and you're all set. Every time you get a bonus, every time you get a raise, or once a year, you just bump up your income a little bit. You do this every year, and your credit limit increase keeps going up and up and up. Subscribe for more iPhone tips and make sure you watch more of my iPhone tips related videos. See you in the next one. Peace.